Si Kuya. Si Kuya ginagawa mo siya.
I Jerusalem så är idag mer än hälften av alla förskolebarn barn.
Ulan at hangin habang palalim ng palalim ang gabi ay lalong sumusungit ang panahon. At tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina sa ating live report nito, a few minutes ago.
Come over here, come over here. So here's some scissors maybe, and let's see if that... Oh, scissors! Look at that.
Give me one.
All
Give
right,
me
go.
one.
Nice.
A cannon. A cannon. I don't know.
Oh, what do you do? What do you do? Oh, no. There's no erasing is the thing. Oh, that's amazing. Let's see. That's so good. Oh, it just got so much worse. Oh.
Nagmula sa kalangitan, lumagapak sa kalupaan, narito na sa inyong harapan ang nag-iisang diwata na mukhang kawatan.